May help wiring a 1/3 of a horsepower, single pole, Dayton electric motor to a switch and a power cord.
How old is the system in question? And have you consulted an electrician yet?
Just bought the motor new. I have not consulted an electrician.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I have basic understanding of electric wiring, but I'm not an expert.
Hello. Welcome to Just Answer. What is the model number of the motor?
Dayton 6K778 motor, 1/3 of a horsepower, split pH, 1725 RPM, 115 V.
Thank you for the additional information. I'll look the motor up now.
Thanks. I have photos if it helps. I tried to send them earlier but didn't seem to work.
Photos would be great, if you don't mind trying to post them again. If it doesn't work, that's okay. We can get it done without photos if you aren't able to post them here.
Is there a way to post photos on this page? I don't see a link or space on this page to post photos.
That's okay. I've started a diagram for you, and I'm almost done with it. I'll post it shortly. Please let me know if you are able to see the diagram.
I see it.
Do you have additional questions after viewing the diagram?
Is that a toggle switch on the top line? If so, where should I mount it? Does it need an enclosure?
Yes, it's a switch, and it will need to be in a junction box with a cover. If you use a metallic box, put a short green jumper wire from the splice of 2 greens to a ground screw threaded into the back of the metal box. As for mounting, I would need to know your application. You can actually mount the box wherever it works best for you.
Here's a photo of the wire access with the back plate off.
Looks great. Thanks for posting it. I see only 2 open posts for your circuit wires, and I can see the number 1 next to one of them. So the other post must be number 4, and the green screw is for the ground wire from your cord. You can buy crimp-on wire connectors for your cord wires, and they'll slip right onto the flat blade type posts.
What gauge wire should I use to wire from the motor to switch and switch to power?
I would use number 14 SJ cord, 3 conductor.
Thanks. And what type of switch? I'm using the motor to drive a belt to power a lapidary, stone grinder.
A standard household light switch would work, single pole, 15 amp, 120 volt rated.
Okay. Does the light switch have markings that indicate which wire goes where?
Nope, as a general rule, we always take the wire that feeds power into the switch to the top screw.
Okay. So hot wire from cord to top screw, and hot wire from switch from top screw on the other side of switch to hot screw on motor?
Hot wire from power cord to top screw on switch. Wire from bottom screw on switch to number 1 terminal on motor.
Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.